When you think about steam, this may well be the first thing that comes to mind. But steam comes in many different guises, different qualities, different purities, different types. Let's go over them all in this steam nugget. Let's start with quality. When we're talking about steam, the term quality refers to the steam's dryness or its residual water content. Simply put, the drier the steam, the higher its quality is. The ideal when it comes to steam quality is when the dryness fraction is close to 1 or 100%. Steam of 99% quality contains only 1% liquid water. This is also why carryover and condensates in pipes and lines have an impact on the steam quality. Steam purity is a different standard. Purity is a measure of the amount of solids entrained or dissolved that are present in the steam. Steam purity is reported as parts per million, ppm, or parts per billion, ppb. There are several conditions and problems that result in poor steam purity. Some of the most common are boiler water carryover, accelerated corrosion rates in steam lines, and process contamination. One way to categorize steam is by dividing it into 3 different states: unsaturated steam, saturated steam, and superheated steam. Unsaturated steam is often referred to as wet steam. It's a mixture of water in its gaseous and liquid phases. It's water vapor containing small water droplets. Its dryness fraction is smaller than 1. Unsaturated steam occurs at temperatures below the saturation point for the corresponding pressure. This means that the steam has not absorbed enough heat to completely vaporize the water. Saturated steam is fully vaporized and contains only water vapor at a specific temperature and pressure. Because it lacks any liquid water droplets, it is also referred to as dry steam. Its dryness fraction is 1. The temperature at which saturated steam exists is called the saturation temperature for a given pressure. Finally, superheated steam is steam that has been further heated beyond its saturation point at a given pressure. This means it has absorbed additional energy, and its temperature has risen above the saturation temperature. Superheated steam does not contain any liquid water particles. It is entirely in the gaseous state, and its dryness fraction is 1. The distinction between these steam states is crucial for industrial processes. Their different properties and behaviors have specific implications for heat transfer, energy conversion, and overall system efficiency. Let's give you some examples of specific types of steam that you encounter in specific industries. Culinary steam, as the name suggests, is used in the food and beverage industry where it comes in direct contact with the product. It is filtered steam or steam produced from feed water treated with non-volatile dosing chemicals. Culinary steam is exceptionally clean and free from impurities. Pure steam is produced from demineralized water using a stainless steel generator. This steam is required mainly for applications in the pharmaceutical, biotechnological, veterinary, cosmetic, and food industries. And finally, flash steam is steam that is generated by reducing the pressure of pressurized superheated water or condensate. This causes the condensate to instantly vaporize or flash into steam when coming back to atmospheric pressure.